Thermostat mounting failures cost homeowners time and comfort, so learn the expert steps to avoid loose or detached thermostats and ensure a rock-solid install every time. Start by assessing the wall substrate. Use a thin blade inspection tool to probe for hollow drywall, plaster, brick, or metal studs, and mark stud centers if you find one. Next, match your anchor to the wall material. Self-drilling zinc or nylon anchors for drywall, masonry anchors for brick or concrete, and sheet metal screws for thin metal studs. Always remove the old anchor and inspect the cavity. Loose or oversized holes need a larger diameter anchor or a wall repair plug before remounting. For drywall, where the device is light but the surface is thin, use a self-drilling anchor rated for vibration and shear loads and drive it flush so the thermostat backplate sits flat. If you encounter a plaster wall, drill a correct size pilot hole and use a toggle or molly anchor size to the plaster thickness. When mounting over existing paint or wallpaper, score the perimeter with a utility knife to prevent cracking, and when using a stud, use a screw long enough to bite at least 1 inch into stud material while still keeping wiring strain relieved. Route wiring through the center of the backplate opening and secure wires with a strain relief clamp or wrap a short loop so thermostat weight does not pull on connections. Verify levelness with a small bubble or digital level and tighten screws incrementally. Over-torquing can deform plastic backplates and create stress points. Finally, test stability by gently tugging the unit and checking that the wiring remains undisturbed. If there is any play, swap to a larger anchor or relocate to a stud rather than trusting cosmetic fixes. One of the biggest mistakes is using standard plastic wall anchors on thin drywall or hollow walls, which leads to thermostat movement or detachment. Fix by choosing self-drilling anchors rated for shear loads or installing a toggle or plaster anchor. And, when possible, aim for a stud. Another common problem is failing to prepare the hole properly, often too large or misaligned. Correct this by filling oversized holes with a repair plug or epoxy anchoring system, then re-drilling the proper pilot size and using the specified anchor. The third frequent issue is neglecting wiring strain relief and over-tightening mounting screws, producing loose electrical connections. Address it by creating a service loop for wires, using a dedicated strain relief clamp, and tightening screws just until snug while confirming the backplate is flush. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local contractors and detailed project resources relevant to thermostat installation, helping homeowners find trusted pros for tricky mounts or electrical work. The directory also helps contractors showcase verified skills and win work by connecting them with nearby homeowners searching for reliable installation and repair services.